everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this right here, this is Natasha.
And the road is closed, still the cars pull in. Now the day is young, so we begin again. And I shut my eyes to what might be a cool recess beneath these old pine trees. I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on skin.
In keeping with the theme of the week,
What's that?
we're gonna do one Anishinaabe grandfather teaching word a day, and today it's bravery. Aqua de Ewin. Bravery. Aqua de Ewin. And you know, to live in this world in a good way, to walk the red road, it takes Gitchi. Aqua de Ewin. It takes great bravery. You know, to stand up when you know and something's right, even though it's not popular. It takes bravery. To you know, to risk having your friends turn against you because they don't agree with you, but you know what you're saying is true. It takes Aqua de Ewin. Bravery. I don't know. Now I'm just kind of talking stupid. All right. Well, hey, I've got enough bravery to get out when I know I got nothing funny to say.
And I know it never once crossed your mind, but you left me down in the dirt, and I was so far behind. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do we have? How long can we last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin. It's cold outside, let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on
Oh, that's really pretty, sweetie. Hey, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
from what I've seen, nothing's meant to last. But I can't move forward I'm living in the past. But I've come so far, and I've run so fast. How long do I have? How long can I last? I don't remember where I've been. My past dissipates like snow on skin, and it's cold outside. Let me in. Our past dissipates like snow on skin. Snow on and on and on and on again and again, my friend, the end.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO.